G'day, welcome to the opal shop. I've got some seam opal here. It's a very large, nice piece. It's two different characteristics in the one stone. On the end here it's got a nice straight bar. You can see there. Finishes up in the middle by the looks. And this end is darker blue material, but looks like it's just on the top here, and there's no real noticeable seam. Medium grey background, base for the colour, so it'll help make it more vibrant. I think that gives you an idea of what you're getting for your money. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.